Hello everyone! Thank you so much for being a fan of my Facebook page and YouTube channel. My name is Kazue, and today I have an announcement to make. I've been running this Facebook page and YouTube channel for a long time, over 10 years, and introducing Japanese language and culture by posting Japanese language lesson videos and sightseeing spot introduction videos and sharing photos and writing blogs, and as you know, doing the live shows. To make this Facebook page and YouTube channel more vibrant, I decided to create the Patreons. Patreon is a donation-based membership subscriptions. Actually, in order to sustain this Facebook page and YouTube channel, I really need your support. Of course, some of you are students and not affordable to do the donation. I totally understand. So please do not worry. If you're just willing to support my activity, then please join my Patreons. That would be really appreciated. In return, I set up some attractive rewards. So here are the rewards. So there are 3 tiers: official Patreons, special Patreons, and VIP Patreons. So these are the things I'll promise you. And these rewards may change in the future, but at this moment I'll promise you this. So for these official Patreons, I will send you the special thank you message by personalized video. I will shout out your name during the live shows and access to the Patreon members only contents, including the bonus live shows. You'll be invited to the special secret Facebook group where you can initiate the thread and ask any question about Japan and the Japanese language. Then for the special Patreons, in addition to the official Patreon rewards, I will offer you this. You'll receive a handwriting picture postcard from Japan every 2 months. Or if you prefer the e-postcard, that's also available. And you can send me the direct message and I promise you to reply back always. And the VIP Patreons, that's wonderful. You receive the omiyage, the souvenir from Japan every 2 months, and 15 minutes one-to-one online meeting with me every month. And how you can use is up to you. You can use as a language lesson, or you can ask me any question about Japan, and everything from the previous tiers. I have a dream to travel all over Japan from south to north by a car and introduce you to each local sightseeing spot and hidden gems and some local traditional cultures and some traditional local artworks, etc. Of course, the purpose is to introduce you and share with you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. And please note, this is just my request and please don't feel obliged or anything. And you'll enjoy this page continuously as usual. Okay, thank you so much and see you on the next my live show or the video. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。